Imagine a tool that not only helps shed extra pounds but also boosts your metabolism. Welcome to the world of intermittent fasting. This method of eating isn't just about skipping meals. It's a strategic approach to optimize your body's natural fat-burning processes. When you fast, your body undergoes significant hormonal changes. For instance, levels of human growth hormone can skyrocket, promoting fat loss and muscle gain. Simultaneously, insulin levels drop, making it easier for your body to access stored fat. Fasting also triggers autophagy, a vital process where cells clean out damaged components, promoting overall cellular health. As you fast, your body shifts from using glucose to burning fat for fuel, a process supported by numerous studies. Research highlights how intermittent fasting can enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. To safely incorporate fasting, start with a simple 16.8 plan. Fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Always stay hydrated and listen to your body's signals. Consult with a healthcare professional if you're unsure. Ready to explore fasting further? Dive into the science and transform your health journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe now for more insights on fasting and health.